She's ready. She am fear egg, for me egg. Me just a gonna never come. I care food with me. We never get time for eat. When I get time to eat that, I'm trying to wash out the mouth. You don't want no bread neither. You don't want no bread. Put up back the bread. Early. It's 5:12. That means I have to leave soon.
5 minutes.
We're heading to the hospital to go have this baby, and we're leaving at 2, coming back home 3. And baby's ready. Ready? You ready, baby?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Fully ready? Why? Took out our big bag. We're here at the big hospital early in the dark morning. So baby's ready. Miss Lady, the woman of the hour. We have 4 minutes to reach over there. I'm out there to take video. Alright, you feel alright, babe?
Yeah, it sounds okay.
Alright. Alright. Let's go get it done. I don't have the big mark on here. It's still recorded somewhere. Make it easier to do it, so. Oh boy. My nose look like a meat burger, so we don't know. Andrew Wallace. You ready?
I am.
She's ready. We're in the hospital right now. Hospital settings, quiet and calm, waiting to be called into the birthing suite. That's like that. You know, but the camera look like. Yeah, all footage.
Nice.
She's so pretty. All your months of not being able to lay on your back bed.
That's the first thing I'm gonna do.
Wow.
When they take this baby out, I'm just gonna lay on my belly.
Your belly?
Yes, and rub my feet together.
You rub our feet together.
I normally sleep on my belly anyways, so not being able to sleep on my belly is
Hell of a thing.
It's torture.
Oh man.
Really hard torture.
Now she'll be able to sleep on her belly. Sleep flat on your back if you want to.
I can't wait.
I can't wait neither.
I'm great too.
I think that's
Code
probably
red, all clear. Clean compass, first floor, mechanical room, C24. All clear. Code red, third floor, mechanical room, C24. All clear. Code red, zone C, compass, third floor, mechanical room, C24.
So at this point, we're just waiting to be called in. Then we'll call we in, and then we'll go.
This suite is a locked suite, so you have
Yeah.
to have security come get you. It's like the same thing.
If you have security come with you.
The nurse and security come get you.
Kind of with for people baby in here and that's well, you know,
Yeah.
it's secured. To get it started, it's dark o'clock outside.
Very dark. We can't do this. I'm used to get up out of maybe at 4:30 in the morning time. Outside was dark as hell.
You who love sleep, so
I know.
so I can't wait to see this baby.
I know.
She well comfortable though, man.
Very comfortable. I just thought that, okay, I'm going to see her may have contractions.
Good. Almost there, almost there.
From NST test yesterday, I was having a whole bunch of contractions. I just couldn't feel them.
Yeah, because they were so small.
Small.
Yeah.
I was like, oh wow. Body does amazing things.
Yeah, I'm glad I know my body has to do these amazing things. We're aliens.
Yep.
We are the alien. We don't have a whole other human being inside of your belly. Incubator belly. Crazy.
1 minute they're inside, the next minute they're out.
Her siblings can't wait to see her too. So
Everybody excited.
that she finally gonna be here.
Melanie, she'll jump out her skin.
She get to be a big sister.
Yep. She had to practice how to put on diapers and it's like the same thing.
Cha-cha.
And I said, oh wow. She put on her pull-ups on her dolly and said she's gonna help take care of her sister just like that.
Almost there. What time do you think this will be done?
I don't know, hopefully by 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock this evening?
Yeah.
Cha-cha, God. I'm trying to gauge the process from intake to delivery and stabilization of mom and all these things. I try to say how long that gonna take. I'm
The
guessing.
last time I went into labor at like 5 a.m. We didn't get to the hospital until like 8 something. I had Melanie at 3 something.
So it took about 5 hours.
I had Melanie at like 3:15 or something like that.
So today about 6 p.m., 7 p.m. But we're gonna have, can you not start doing none of that yet? Yeah,
Who knows? They might give me medication and it speeds up the process. You never know.
We'll see how it goes.
So this is not my first child. Maybe if I did my first child, I would feel like, oh, it's gonna take a long time. But it's not. I don't feel like it's gonna take a long time. So me already dilated and all of that. Cervix is soft. Effaced.
She always said cervix.
Cervix.
Or real Jamaican.
Effaced at 70%. So.
Your cervix is already?
Yep. So
almost there.
Almost there.
The water just now broke.
No, I'm not getting consistent contractions. Once I start getting a synthetic medication, they do. And the contractions will be consistent. Yeah.
I see the natural already. I went from nothing to put up. That's basically the mood this morning. A whole lot of talk and then quiet spots. Talk and then quiet spots. Actually, I try to talk or...
A lot on the brain.
Yeah, I'm trying to talk. Try to keep talking, but I fall into the quiet spots too. Because I'm thinking too.
You know, like quiet spots neither.
Not really.
No, you don't. There used to be some form of background noise.
Are you that one?
No, are you?
No, are you?
You don't like...
She does homework. She had the maths. Or statistics. And I watch TV. And I play music. And they pick me them around.
Alright, so...
They can't do all that. I need to be in a quiet space.
6 siblings.
You don't want that need all that background noise.
I grew up with 6 siblings. I learned how to cope a long time ago with a lot of noise and distraction.
I like conversation.
Yeah,
I like conversation. But times like these, I don't mind quiet spot. I could do it. You just know why you just gone off in you.
Yeah, so.
It's like when we go on missions, nobody speak. It's a long ride and it's quiet as hell.
That must be nerve-wracking.
No, we plan everything. It's called OPSEC. We plan everything before we go. And the whole ride to where you're going to hit the spot, you just keep playing over in your head, your position, what you're supposed to do, where your team is going, who go first, all that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And you just don't talk. You don't talk till you get there.
That is insane.
Yeah. Kind of want to crowd you up the spot and make everybody forget what you're supposed to do with some loose conversation.
Oh.
So you're mission focused only. So me like quiet spots in a time like these. Do I hold one leg up while the doctor hold the other leg up? How's the baby gonna slide out? So they're come through you. I'm gone later. Just like that, we're in the birthing suite. Then come pick we up, and then have to access it in. And now we're in here. Look. See? It's her own room. Gorgeous. Nice, it's warm in here. It's comfortable. I thought it was gonna be cold and stuff, but she alone in here. You know what I mean? And there's another part to it over there behind the curtains, where refrigerator, all kind of thing. They have the incubator set up already for your baby over there, so you have one whole full bathroom in here over there, so shower, everything. All that, and a nice view from up here as well. With the city. Wow, I can actually see my truck from up here. Bags packed. She have our bag now. Our bag have this our bag with coconut water, all kind of sitting in here. See there? All our snacks and stuff in here, so. And then one next bag over there, so. And then for my bag, that's all. You know what I like about here? Times have changed so much. Times have changed so much, you know, because one time gone, in order to be in certain fields, you couldn't have tattoos, you couldn't have piercings, you couldn't have, you know, certain things. The nurse that came and got us, she have tattoos, she have nose septum piercing, all that sitting there, which make me feel very comfortable because me have whole heap of tattoo and something too, so you don't feel like nobody will judge you or I go treat you how they judge you bad and stuff. You know, like back in the day, people used to judge you and be like, oh, they're a criminal, they're full of a tattoo. Those days are gone.
Yeah, babe.
Alright.
You gotta tie it back.
This lady in our hospital gown. I gotta tie up her hospital gown in also. I'm not gonna show her all that. Mommy in our fancy gown.
So,
You socks them?
you get overstimulated very easily here.
Can we put them on for you?
Please.
Well, it's just there for the good.
Nothing. No.
your business. I want some big comfortable clothes. These are, it's not even my clothes, it's my son's clothes. Because it's big like giant, so. Oh, that's the incubator. Oh. Put her over this one. Oh, in the bathroom. Then soon come back in there, so I'm gonna sit down. See now? How you feel? I don't know.
I don't know how to feel.
Alright. Nurse Catherine. Physician is Tobiah. How were you there, so? 5 centimeters?
I wish. Yeah,
Really?
right. I'm at 2 or 3. So.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yep, nah.
6 centimeters, you're in active labor. If I was there, that would be amazing. So, it's... I don't even know what time it is. But the last time I checked me, I was at 3 centimeters. I broke my water and I'm on Pitocin and it's at 2 and then the volume is at 2.8. The contractions are starting to rev up, but I'm doing okay.
Okay.
Yep.
She's hanging in there.
So yeah, I said this baby's gonna be born at 4. Babe said the baby's gonna be born between 12 and 1, and the nurse said 3. So we shall see.
They're really changing up, cause one time gone you couldn't even have your camera.
Yeah, so
They used to say no filming in here. But back to Miss Lady. She said she's not feeling. The contractions are starting now to rev up.
they have me in Pitocin.
And that's not what you wanted. Things don't always go how you want to go. Whole monitoring system there.
At least now I get my C-section, so I'm not complaining.
Well, I'm be real with you.
Me know what you say.
What me say, babe?
Things can go bad.
No, I never gonna say that. But me gonna say, usually Pitocin, when they increase the dose, and the dose is naturally, you drop the baby heart rate. And once the baby heart rate drop, the doctor them always panic. Their goal is to get her out there as quickly as possible. But you'll be alright. I actually just want to see the contractions start going. It's not a process to rush though. You said it in your birth plan, you wanted to take time and labor and give your body a chance for labor and stuff, so that's what you're doing. And it's going to be building up. When you're ready for me to close the blinds, let me know. Yeah, so.
Oh, and they broke my water too.
At this point, the water was broken. They came in and broke your water, right? To get it started.
Yeah.
Catch me a Betty.
Alright, so.
Betty Joe. Her Betty Joe. She go on the stairs there. I'm gonna zoom right into the truck. Let me see if I can zoom right into the truck. Our vehicle is parked right there. Right, that's all. It's crazy, we could deliver a baby and make sure nobody in the teeth the truck at the same time.
Alright, so.
Now we can ball out teeth. Push me a push teeth.
Alright, so.
Alright, so.
They want the security with their furniture. Hospital.
The thing is, you couldn't ball out teeth through this window, I can't open them.
You can't open them. So I was doing great on my Pitocin. I went to sleep, I rested, and then I got a contraction that woke me straight up out my sleep. And then I realized my Pitocin was on 7. And those contractions, I labored for about another 15 to 20 minutes, and then I requested for my epidural. I was like, give me the drugs, give me the pain meds. I can't do this. Pitocin contractions are literally the spawn of Satan, and I couldn't handle it. So I got my epidural, and they were asking me if I could feel my legs and stuff, and I was like, no. And then babe was like, are you going to be able to push this baby out? I'm like, yeah, I'll be just fine. And then around 3:40, my doctor came in and she was like, oh my god, the baby's right there. And then the nurse was like, I just checked her, she was at 5 centimeters. And then they were like, okay, it's time to push. And one thing I will say with this doctor, she did not hesitate, she did not move. She put on her gloves, she got right to it, and Manaya came out happy, healthy, and amazing. She actually came out purple, and I didn't know why she was purple, but as soon as they laid her on my chest, I just started rubbing her back and rubbing her down to get her to have some blood flow. I later learned that her cord, or umbilical cord, was stuck around her neck. And babe actually told me after the fact, and I'm happy he told me after the fact and not during, because I probably would have panicked. And as you guys can see, she is cute. And here's babe with her doing his skin to skin in my golden hour that I requested. And this was when I realized that babe was equally as overwhelmed with this whole process as I was. This was a lot. And this is how my postpartum suite look. It is a nice postpartum suite. I will say this one is a bit smaller than the ones that I had before, but it did the job, especially since babe didn't spend the night. So I'm in my postpartum room and I just have Manaya. Did I get the birth plan that I wanted? No. But she is happy and healthy, and that's all I care about right now. But I will talk about all of that in a separate video. But for now, I'm gonna get some well-needed rest, and I'm just taking out stuff that I'm gonna need for tomorrow to take pictures and stuff, because I want to take pictures tomorrow. I also have a tubal tomorrow, hopefully. I'm not on the schedule yet, we shall see. Anyways,
Does her pinky belong?
yeah,
It's cute.
very.
Zippy, zippy, zippy.
Dad didn't have his nap yet. Said Dad didn't get his nap yet.
Bro, I'm
You haven't
hungry.
eaten dead.
I'm hungry and I'm sleepy.
I'm about to get the best sleep of my life.
I didn't have food for 10 weeks. I didn't have food for 8 weeks.
I said she's been laboring since April.
May, June, July, and August. That's what. I don't know, but I feel like that's what we.
Yeah.
Why is your head shaking?
Because I'm shaking now.
Oh, I thought Jen was taller than you. Alright, I'm leaning on the wall.
Mommy, where's that thing?
That's a vein that they...
Welcome to the family, little girl.
What is the little like dots on her cheek?
Oh. So when you're pregnant, you can't eat any like turkey meat and stuff. Every time I eat a sandwich, a turkey sandwich or anything like that, it has to be toasted or warmed up. And this girl would not take a pacifier for nothing. Okay, thank you. Bye. So this will be my first shower after giving birth, and I want to show you guys exactly how you look postpartum after giving birth 3 times. But this is my belly. This is the underwear they give you. They give you a bottle, Tux pads, and I have some hydrocortisone because I have hemorrhoids. And these are the pads that they give to you. They're super big. So yeah, this is my toiletry bag. As you can see, I brought makeup because I'm about to get cute. I brought some makeup. I'm about to get cute a little bit because I want to take some nice postpartum pictures. bathroom. Okay. So it was today that I learned that I would not be getting my tubes tied because my doctor canceled my surgery. For what reason, I don't know, and I wasn't told, but I'm sure I will be told once I get to my 6-week checkup, because once I get to my 6-week checkup is when I'm going to schedule my that's when I'm gonna schedule my tubes to get tied. So, and I know that this is going to be my last child, so I wanted to make sure I got some amazing pictures in the hospital with me and Manaya, and that's exactly what I did. And if you want to see better pictures and more pictures and more video footage, you will have to follow me on Instagram for that. So yeah, and then for day 2 I didn't do much of anything. I just sat my butt down and relaxed. And Manaya had a lot of tests. She had her hearing test, she had her heart test, she had her eye test, she had a bunch of tests, and she also had her birth certificate information that me and her dad had to sign. And that's all I did on the second day. And then I got to dinner.
Apple juice,
and dinner.
I got some ice cream,
Let's get into that.
and I got that's dinner. So this morning I ate toast and eggs, and then for lunch I got a burger. The burger was okay. This is salmon, mashed potatoes, and something else. I don't know how this is gonna taste. This is not like my It's edible. Not my fave. I'm gonna eat my sandwich that babe brought for me. That's not gonna work at all. They've got me more Jersey mics. I asked for Jersey mics, one of these, and flowers, and that's what he brought yesterday. He also brought the kids by, and I told him to get the same thing. So today is my last day here. I just took my shower because we're about to get discharged. And yeah, I'm gonna pack up my stuff. And baby's on his way with the car seat. I kind of just wet up my hair in the shower. And now we're getting ready to go home.
So, brown bear, what do you see and all that? Yep, she's asleep.
Mommy,
Yeah.
which thing's the apron? Where's the apron, Mommy?
What apron? That's a big. So
I think that's what she meant, like a
Wow.
She awake?
kinda.
You know what?
no, not
Like
really.
this,
That's what
half.
foggy.
Holy crap.
That's what I said.
Are those all disposable stuff or
That's what they gave to you.
That's what they gave me when I was
at the hospital?
Yeah.
They gave you this.
Oh no, that's mine. Not what I did.
Mommy, what is this?
That's a Perry bottle.
Mommy, this is so cool. A what? A Perry bottle. Like if you keep touching everything. She even got the books to read.
There's textures.
Brown bear.
Oh, now I remember this.
And then there's the bunny tail. There's the little Draco. We used to do this in kindergarten.
I remember that book.
Yes, this is so iconic.
What's iconic, Papa?
The brown.
So when we were leaving, I said we were leaving as 2 and coming back as 3, and we did just that. Baby delivered, baby is home safe, and it's all good. I'm gonna end this live right here though, this vlog right here. Big up on yourself for all the people who gave all the well wishes. I want big old pot of soup on the stove too, you know. Watch out, you know, so we can't do soup without them something, you know, this name okra. And your back. Alright. See pot of soup there? Have a pear to go with it. 1 avocado.
Is the soup done? I'm hungry and it smells so good.
Soup done.
Ready to eat.
I'm gonna have a bowl right now.
Me too. It looks so good.
Oh, look how I fuck up the camera.
She's so tiny and adorable and cute. And I love her.
Alright.
The sense of being, the feeling of being like a big sis again is like.
Alright, so that is it for us. Big up on yourself.